Okay, here we are back in Microsoft Word. Well, that's one of the things I want to talk to you about. There's so many things to discuss with Microsoft Word. Right now, you see our document right here, Tech Lab Rules, but you'll notice up here at the top, the just was the name of the document, which is Rules, is gray. Why is that? Well, the truth of the matter is that right now we are not working in Microsoft Word. We actually are working in Finder. So if you see a gray thing and you can't do something with a document, it's because you're not in that document that you're trying to work on. The computer can only work on one program or one document at a time. And so whatever is running at the moment is right up here in the left-hand corner. If I click here, you'll see this becomes dark and black, not grayed out, not disabled is what we call it in computers. And over here it says Word. That's right. Well, Word is working right here. And now we can do a lot of different things with it. So understand, look up here to see what program is running at this particular moment. Okay, so right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select or highlight the contents of this particular document. Remember, we have another page here. It won't affect that. We're only using this. And what I want to do is, since we've got these rules separated, I'd like to number the rules. Well, in the old days, you used to put a cursor over here and type 1 dot space, and then 2 dot space, and then 3 dot space. It's so difficult. I mean, it's a computer. It should make things easier. Well, let's take them out and let's see if we can make things easier. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the body of this with all these rules, and I'm going to number them like I just tried to do, except no. It's only one little quick click. And here it is over here. Notice if I hover my mouse over anything, it will tell you in a second what exactly it does. Multi-level list, decrease indent, this is bullet list. I'm going to go to number list right here in this little tiny arrow next to number list. I'm going to let it drop down. And you can see the numbering library. This is none. That's what we are now. That's why there's a blue outline. Here's 1, 2, 3, etc. It would be 4, 5, 6, whatever you have. Here's 1, 2, 3 with parentheses, closed parentheses in back of it. Here's Roman numerals. Here's ABC capital, ABC with a closed parentheses. Here's small ABC with dots, and this is Roman numeral with dots. Well, here we go. This is the most recently used one, but I don't even have to worry about that. You might not even see that. I'm going to go to this one, and I'm going to click. Oh my goodness, look at what happened. To deselect, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned it to you. To deselect, you click anywhere in the white. In other words, if I select this and I want to get rid of it, I just click in the white. But look what happened. Tech Lab rules with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. It makes it so much easier to actually make numbers in a list that you've made. Of course, you have to have them separated with a line so that the computer understands which ones are individual rules and which ones aren't. Oh, and by the way, let's take a look at the original that we first started out with. We can actually resize these windows so they're side by side, and you can see exactly how far we've come since we started doing this. Here's the original over here. I guess we could move this here and move this here just by clicking and dragging. This is the original. Really hard to read, isn't it? Look at this one. Much better. All numbered, looks professional. So that's the end of this numbering lists for today. The next video will cover another subject. Thanks for watching.